We're going to talk today about how important it is to know your own body. If you feel like something is wrong, don't let it go. You know your body better than anybody else, and you should. I was going to tell you a story about one of our patients that actually had called us, and she wanted to do a cancer marker. She said, I have had a mucoid cancer in the past. Can we do a marker just to see? I said, sure. A CEA is a generalized cancer marker. Many different cancers can show it up, and not all cancers have it. So what we did was we did the marker, about $30. So it's a cheap test, and hers was very elevated. So of course, the first thing I did was send her back to her oncologist. I said, okay, you need to go back to your oncologist and show them. Well, when she went back to the oncologist, they looked at it and said, don't worry about it. And when she called me, I said, no, you have to worry about it. Go somewhere else. So she went to a few different doctors. They all kept telling her not to worry about it. I was like, if you have a cancer marker that high and you've had that type of cancer in the past, you have to worry about it. So we did it again. So well, maybe it was a lab error. Let's recheck it. It had doubled. We checked it again 2 weeks later. It had doubled again. So she kept doubling on a marker. That is not normal. And I don't care how many doctors tell you it's normal. It is not normal. So I told her she needed to keep going to doctors until she found one that would do a CT scan pretty much from her head down to her butt. You need to check and see there's something somewhere. And sure enough, when she did that, she finally found a doctor that would do it, and it was in the lining of her lungs. Since then, she has had surgery. She had it removed. She's doing very well. Her cancer marker now is normal. She definitely comes to us to get it done regularly now because they won't check it again. There's things you have to take care of your own health. It is up to you to take care of yourself. Don't just rely on somebody telling you not to worry about it.